The Ulike X IPL hair removal device is truly a next-generation men hair removal tool that stands out with its innovative features and advanced technology. Designed for both effectiveness and user comfort, the Paladan W04 Mini PC is an impressive that can be used in the convenience of their own home. Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Traditional shaving can easily lead to razor burns, cause folliculitis, and result in ingrown hairs. Plus, a man is expected to use around 2,880 razor blades in his lifetime, if replaced weekly, costing approximately $21,600. It's also not environmentally friendly. Include an explanation of IPL technology, which uses optical principles to target and eliminate melanin at the base of hair follicles. It addresses hair issues at the root and is highly effective for stubborn, unwanted hair. Consider adding a creative demo, like using a white balloon over a black balloon. When the black balloon pops, the white balloon remains intact, illustrating how IPL works. Men's hair is generally thicker, coarser, and harder to remove, so it requires a more specialized men hair removal device. Ulike is a globally renowned brand focused on hair removal devices, with over 6 million units sold worldwide. From the moment you unbox the Ulike X, it's clear that a lot of thought has gone into the packaging and presentation. The device comes securely packaged in a sleek, modern box that not only looks premium, but also ensures all components are well protected during transit. Inside the box, you'll find the Ulike X device itself, along with a detailed user manual, a pair of protective glasses for eye safety during use. Power cord, razor. A power adapter is included, making it easy to start using the device right away. The thoughtful inclusion of accessories and protective glasses demonstrates Ulike's commitment to user safety and versatility. The device is lightweight and ergonomically designed, fitting comfortably in the hand for easy maneuverability during sessions. Overall, the unboxing experience sets a positive tone and builds anticipation for using the device. Equipped with dual light sources and a high energy output of 26 joules, the Ulike X is significantly more powerful than standard IPL devices. This means it can tackle even the toughest hair with greater efficiency. In just 2 weeks, noticeable results can be achieved, making it a quick and effective option for hair reduction. One of the standout features of the Ulike X is its state-of-the-art ice cooling technology. With a contact temperature as low as 61.4 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures a nearly painless hair removal experience by minimizing the risk of burns and irritation. This makes it suitable for use on even the most sensitive areas of the body, allowing for a comfortable session from start to finish. Safety is a key priority with the Ulike X. The built-in skin sensor automatically adjusts the power of the device to suit your skin tone, ensuring that each flash is optimized for both safety and effectiveness. This smart technology not only protects your skin, but also enhances the overall hair removal experience. The device offers 3 different modes: high mode for coarse, thick hair, normal mode for fine and medium hair, and fast mode for quick touch-ups and maintenance. This versatility makes it suitable for use across various body areas, from the face to the chest, arms, legs, and more. Ulike X is FDA cleared and has passed rigorous testing by SGS, the world's leading certification company, ensuring a reliable and trustworthy experience. Compared to traditional methods like laser treatments, waxing, and shaving, the Ulike X offers a cost-effective and convenient alternative. It provides a lifetime of hair-free results, making it a smart choice for those who want to avoid the recurring costs of salon visits. The Ulike X is ideal for individuals with fair to medium skin tones and dark hair, as IPL technology works best with high melanin levels in hair and low melanin levels in skin. It is less effective on lighter hair colors and not suitable for very dark skin tones. Many users have praised the Ulike X for its comfortable and nearly painless operation, as well as its impressive results. With consistent use, hair regrowth is noticeably thinner and slower, leading to smoother skin and reduced grooming time in the long run. In summary, the Ulike X IPL Men hair removal device offers a comprehensive, efficient, and comfortable hair removal solution that can be tailored to various hair and skin types. Its combination of powerful performance, advanced cooling, and intelligent skin detection makes it a top choice for those seeking a convenient at-home hair removal experience that rivals professional treatments. Whether you're looking to tackle coarse hair or simply maintain smooth skin with minimal effort, the Ulike X is a reliable and effective option that delivers on its promises. The original price is $429, but with the limited time promotion, you can get $100 off and only pay $329. Click the caption to complete your purchase. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.